Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you enable missed call notifications in Truecaller so you'll always know when someone tries to reach you. If you're not receiving missed call alerts or simply want Truecaller to remind you about unanswered calls, this quick guide will help you get everything set up in just a minute. To begin, open the Truecaller app on your phone. Once you're on the home screen, tap your profile picture or the menu icon in the top left corner to open the side menu. From there, tap Settings. This is where you'll find all of Truecaller's customization options. Scroll down until you see Calls, then tap on it to open the call settings. Now, look for the option called Missed Call Notification. Turn on the toggle beside it to make sure Truecaller notifies you every time you miss an incoming call. Next, enable Remind Me of Missed Calls. This feature is especially useful because if you forget to check a missed call, Truecaller will send you another reminder later, making it less likely that you'll miss something important. If these options are already enabled but you're still not getting notifications, check your phone's notification settings. Make sure notifications are allowed for Truecaller, and if you're using Android, disable battery optimization for the app, as some devices restrict background activity and delay notifications. It's also a good idea to keep Truecaller updated to the latest version for the best performance. Once you've completed these steps, you're all set. Truecaller will now notify you whenever you miss a call and even remind you if you haven't returned it. I hope this tutorial helped you. If it did, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more simple tech tips, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.